Majestic Kyrgyzstan. Ala-Archa National Park, nestled in the Tian Shan Mountains. This park offers breathtaking alpine landscapes and fantastic hiking opportunities. Issyk-Kul Lake, known as the Pearl of Central Asia, this high-altitude lake is a paradise for water sports and sunbathing. Issyk-Kul Lake, an alpine lake surrounded by rolling pastures, perfect for experiencing nomadic culture and horseback riding. Burana Tower, an ancient minaret from the Silk Road era, rich in history and architectural beauty. Osh, Kyrgyzstan's second-largest city, famous for its bustling bazaars and historic sites, like Suleiman-Too Mountain. Karakol, a gateway to the stunning Tian Shan Mountains. This city is a hub for trekking and adventure activities. Jeti-Oguz, known for its distinctive red rock formations. It's a popular spot for hiking and picnicking. Karakol, a resort town on the shores of Issyk-Kul, offering beach activities and petroglyphs at the open-air museum. Rabat Caravanserai, a well-preserved Silk Road inn in a remote valley, an incredible testament to history. Chilek Nature Reserve, home to diverse wildlife. It's a haven for nature lovers with hiking trails and serene lakes.